Hello, welcome to EZARC YouTube channel. In this series of video, we are going to test the performance of EZARC products. So, what products are we going to test today? Let's find it out. I believe that everyone is familiar with reciprocating saw blades. It can be an indispensable tool in daily demolition, cutting, and repairing work. Divided by its material, reciprocating saw blades include high carbon steel, bimetal, and carbide. And among these different blades, carbide is the most tough one. Carbide saw blade has a tungsten carbide tips at the end of each tooth. These tungsten carbide materials are extremely hard, heat resistant. They also have more than 50 times of the cutting life of standard bimetal blades on hard material. So today let's take a test to see how exactly the performance of carbide teeth blade comparing with the standard bimetal blade. Our first test is to cut 2 mm stainless steel. This is 304 stainless steel, pretty tough material. Okay, let's do it. Okay, let's get moving first. First, we are going to use the bimetal blade to cut on the stainless pipe to see how's the performance of this traditional bimetal blade, okay? First, we're gonna wear the safety equipment. Always keep your workshop safe. Okay. Make sure the blade fits on your machine. Okay, let's do it. Okay, here you can see a lot of smoke during cutting. And let's see how's the teeth situation. So the bimetal blade even didn't finish one cut. We can observe that the saw blade is badly damaged. The teeth are completely worn out. Okay, now let's change to our carbide reciprocating saw blades to cut on the stainless and see how's the performance. And today we are going to test of our reciprocating saw blade is R978HM, and it has 8 TPI with 9-inch length. If you want to know the detailed information of these blades, you can click the link below. Okay, let's see how's the performance of carbide blades to cutting on the stainless steel. Okay. Now we are going to from a new place to cut into the stainless steel. Let's do it. Let's cut two more. Okay, we made 3 cuts very fast, and let's see how's the teeth situation after 3 cuts on the stainless steel pipes. Okay, here you can see that after 3 cuts, yes, some painting are scratched, but all the teeth are still there. To comparing these 2 blades here, you can see clearly that the bimetal blades, after around 10 seconds, all the teeth gone. And it is very hard to cut into stainless steel by the bimetal blade. But for the carbide teeth reciprocating saw blade, you can see that after 3 cuts, all the teeth are still there. Okay, let's move to the next test. On this part, we are going to test 2 different blades cutting on the bolts, which was made of high alloy steel. It's also very tough material. For the bolt cutting, we are choosing the blades 6 TBI for wood with nails, both bimetal and carbide. Let's do it. Okay, just like a previous process, first we're gonna test the bimetal blade and to see how's the performance on the high alloy steel bolt. And we already screwed the bolt into the wood. Let's do it. Okay, as you can see that I tried very hard to cut into the bolt, but it seems it doesn't work. And I can see that all the teeth are worn out. So next, I'm going to try our 6 TPI carbide blade. Okay, now let's try the carbide teeth blade to see if it works or not. Okay, we can see that clearly the carbide teeth blade has any problem to cutting on the high alloy bolt, and all the teeth are perfect, no problem. So, if you want to cut some hard material like stainless steel, high alloy steel, EZARC Carbide Reciprocating saw blade is your best choice. It can help you to finish your work quickly and effectively. Okay, that's today's test of our Carbide Reciprocating saw blade. If you like our video, please give us a thumb up and hit the subscribe button. What other product test video would you like to see? Tell us in the comments, we will do it for you. EZARC, durability in every arc. See you next time. Bye bye.